Hi, Liana. Hi, baby. Hi. Are you pooping? Or are you all done? He said, hold her better. Hi. Look at those big hands. Are you so precious? Is that little onesie a little too big for you? It's okay, you're gonna grow, Mama. You're gonna grow. I love you. Have you told her you love her yet?
I love you.
You hadn't told her?
Not today.
Okay. On her tummy, on her tummy. Now, lift up her head a little bit.
Chewy.
Oh, she's doing it, right?
Yeah.
Tummy time, Liana. Tummy time, because we don't want your head to get flat. I wish I could be down there with you, but I had a C-section.
No.
Chewy, what are you doing? He's getting close and personal. Chewy. What if he just did the same thing to her?
I wouldn't like if he pushed up on her. I would tell him no.
Is she looking at him? Mm-hmm. Chewy, it's the baby. Chewy, you got a baby. Today is June 25th, isn't it?
24th.
Oh, 24th?
I went to the emergency room.
And Liana is having tummy time. And
Oh, tummy time.
Gave the tenants the keys to our home. And Chewy is licking his, you know what? And me, I'm just here.